Welcome to This Explainer. Okay, today we are unpacking what is easily one of the most fascinating and frankly ambitious frontiers in modern science. We're looking at a fundamental medical mystery. Can artificial intelligence finally crack the incredibly complex biological process of aging? For decades, the slow decay of the human body has just been viewed as an inevitable fact of life. Just natural wear and tear, right? But what if it isn't? What if there's actually a readable biological code behind it? The source material we're looking at today reveals how researchers are using advanced AI to look at the aging process in a completely revolutionary way. And that brings us right to the ultimate question humanity has asked itself since, well, the dawn of time. Would we want to live forever? It's the classic quest for immortality. But here's the thing. The science we are exploring today is actively shifting the conversation away from that sci-fi trope. Okay, let's dive into this, because this isn't just about extending the clock infinitely. It's about something much more practical and, honestly, way more exciting for our immediate future. The goal isn't living forever. It's about rewriting the rules of our health span. Sisters Karina and Serena Kernley-Burra, who are the founders of a pioneering company called LinkJV, are at the absolute forefront of this. They're steering the focus totally away from immortality and directly toward adding good, vibrant, quality years to our lives. Their whole mission is to identify and disarm the exact biological triggers that take those healthy years away from us. They want to protect us from the frailty and disease that typically just come with old age. But to really understand how they plan to pull this off, we first have to understand why it's been so unbelievably hard to achieve up until now.
Section 1. The complexity of aging.
There's a stark contrast between how we normally do medicine and what aging actually looks like in practice. Think about traditional medicine, specifically infectious diseases. Medicine has been phenomenally successful here because it relies on this one bug, one drug model. You have a single underlying pathogen, like a specific bacteria or a virus, and you develop a single target drug for that single disease. It works beautifully. But aging? Aging is a completely different beast. It involves multiple factors and multi-organ failure. It's the sheer complexity of aging that has caused such a massive headache for standard medical data collection and treatment. And all that complexity brings us to this specific medical term, multi-morbidity. This describes when multiple organs fail simultaneously without one clear underlying primary condition. So the crucial point is that you don't just have one thing going wrong. You have neurodegeneration, like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, happening at the exact same time as cardiovascular disease, happening at the exact same time as kidney disease. Because all these multifaceted diseases strike simultaneously without a single root cause, our standard traditional medical approaches are rendered completely obsolete. In a standard medical textbook, kidney disease and dementia are totally different topics. Traditional medicine just doesn't fit the aging problem.
Section 2. AI's Blueprint for Aging.
If human researchers and traditional textbooks can't untangle this web, who can? Enter artificial intelligence. I absolutely love this quote from our source material. LinkJV's AI acts as the ultimate master detective, looking at aging less like a blurry photo of old age and more like a detailed schematic. Instead of just looking broadly at the symptoms of getting older, the AI is literally building a comprehensive blueprint. It's mapping out the precise molecular pathways that trigger our body's decline. By doing this, the AI has identified what researchers actually call programmed demolition switches. You flip the wrong ones and your tissues start to fail. The AI helps pinpoint exactly what goes wrong and when, showing us the very first dominoes that need to be stopped before they all crash down.
But why does AI work so well here, specifically? Well, AI thrives in biology when it's fed large, complete, and compatible data sets. And this isn't just theory. We already know this works. The breakthrough of AlphaFold is a proven massive example of AI successfully revolutionizing the drug discovery space. AI is uniquely equipped to handle the incredibly messy, multifaceted data of human biology. It essentially turns what looks like chaotic noise into a highly organized, completely readable schematic.
Section 3. Stopping the biological riot. Once this AI blueprint was actually built, what did it find? Well, it turns out the massive, previously unsolved problem in medicine is a culprit called necrosis. Now, most cells in our bodies typically die cleanly and quietly. They just safely fade out. But necrosis is totally different. It's a messy, chaotic form of cell death. The AI blueprint revealed that this specific type of cellular destruction acts as a huge key driver of accelerated aging, especially in our critical organs. It's literally the demolition switch being flipped. The process of necrosis is, for all intents and purposes, a biological riot. First, the cells burst open. Second, because they burst, they spill all their cellular contents everywhere.
Third, this spilling causes massive chaotic inflammation that actively damages everything in the surrounding area. And this brilliantly illustrates the devastating domino effect here. One bursting cell takes out its neighbors, and before you know it, accelerated aging is triggered across an entire organ. Until this AI blueprint mapped it out so clearly, tackling this riot had been a massive unsolved problem.
Section 4. From kidneys to astronauts. To apply this abstract science in the real world, LinkGV used this exact AI blueprint to develop a first-of-its-kind anti-necrotic drug in absolute record time. Its mission is beautifully simple: stop the riot and protect the cells. The timeline for this builds directly into real-world applications. Phase 1, which is happening right now, targets the kidneys. Why kidneys? Because kidney degeneration is actually the perfect biological model for testing accelerated aging. If they can successfully protect the kidney cells, they can validate this drug as a treatment for aging itself. Phase 2 then expands this out into organ preservation and improving tissue engineering. And for Phase 3, get this, NASA is actually interested. They're exploring the potential of this exact anti-necrotic drug to protect astronauts from the intense physical rigors of space travel. By controlling necrosis, we can fundamentally boost our human body's resilience in literally the most extreme conditions imaginable.
We started today by talking about immortality, but we quickly saw that the real goal is healthspan. Adding good, resilient, vibrant years to our lives by targeting the very source of biological decay. The AI blueprint is here, and the first medical shot is about to be fired. So I want to leave you with a question to ponder as we wrap up this explainer. If AI can successfully disarm the biological triggers of aging, how will you use your extra years of health span? It's an incredible thought, and a future that might be much, much closer than we think.